Hey, Dave and Penn from Consumerize here, and today we're going to be adding something a little bit different to our morning routine.
Yeah, so we've been hearing a lot about marijuana as it becomes legalized for medical purposes and even recreational purposes in various states. It's really shedding its stoner image and becoming more of this overall health and wellness trends, and really going along with plants as medicine.
So part of this is the explosion in CBD oil products. Now, CBD oil is extracted from hemp. It doesn't contain THC, so it doesn't officially get you high, but there are a lot of claims around its ability to improve relaxation, relieve stress, increase focus, even alleviate nausea. So we picked up a bag of Strava coffee. This is a coffee that's infused with CBD oil. This particular variety is Focus. So we're gonna see if a pot of this coffee in the morning will give us a little more focus here in the office.
We'll see.
Let's see how it goes.
All right. Alright guys, it's 4:20 in the afternoon, so we just wanted to check in and tell you how our little experiment went.
I think it's delicious. It's a great cup of coffee, good flavor, not terribly bitter, a little bit of a chocolatey note, a little bit of an oily mouthfeel. I would probably attribute that to the CBD oil. What did you think?
Yeah, I thought it was on par with a lot of the premium coffee that people are drinking these days. Definitely a step up from the grocery store stuff that we normally have in the office. I can't tell if it helped me focus. I did feel very energized, but I can't tell if that was the CBD oil or just the caffeine. And I feel like it did help me relax a little bit, but I don't know if that was due to any effects of the CBD or whether it was just due to the fact that we were all sitting around the office with our coworkers, enjoying this nice moment and talking about our delicious new coffee.
It really brought us together.
Yeah, I don't know if this will become my regular pot of coffee, but I definitely try it again.
All right. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.
Cheers.